it's Tamery here, back with another video. This video is going to be about some UNICE hair. Okay, so I'm very excited. So let's just jump straight into it. So it's UNICE hair is very popular. I heard it's some really good hair. I've been doing a lot of research on this hair and I finally decided to purchase it. So let's talk about shipping and customer service, and then we're going to get straight into this hair, the good stuff, which I really want to hear. So shipping took 2 to 3 days. I ordered it on Thursday and I got it on Monday. And then customer service is really great. They give you your tracking number, they make sure that your order is correct, and they just make sure that everything is good. Anything you ask for, like, they reply to you within minutes or in hours. They don't take like days. Like, they're really consistent, which is what I really like. Okay, and another thing, so I got 3 bundles and a frontal. I got 3 24 inches and a 20-inch frontal. And let me tell you guys how much I paid. Let me tell you guys how much it is before the big discount. Okay, so let me go to my order. So the hair was $265.99, but they gave me a big discount and I only paid $243.71. So they took off $21.28, which is a discount code that they give you once you like go onto their actual website, not AliExpress. Go onto the actual UNICE website, official website, and they give you a code. Like, they start chatting with you right away. They give you a code, you enter that code, and then you get however much money off. And I'm pretty sure it's the same amount. And I'm just like, I thought it was like going to be like $4 or $5. They literally took $21, okay, off my freaking total, which I was so which I was so happy about. Okay, so let me show you guys this hair. So, you know, this is how it comes, and then it comes with lashes, and they just tell you, this just tells you a little bit about their hair company. Okay, so y'all, I was thirsty and I already opened up 2 bundles and I looked at the frontal already. So I'm going to show you guys the bundle that I didn't touch, that I didn't play with, so you guys know what it looks like straight out the pack. Okay, let me find which one it is, because I've been playing. It's this one. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, it's this one. Okay, I think it is. It's not, I'm lying. It's this one. This one I haven't touched, haven't opened anything. So they're all 24 inches. It tells you the inch at the bottom right there. And this is Brazilian hair. I wanted to try Indian, but I'm like, let me just stick to what I know and just go with Brazilian. Okay, I always do Brazilian. I had Indian hair once, but you know, not by this company. This is my first time trying this company. So this is how it comes in this hair net. And then on the little tags, it just tells you like the hair care tips, how to take care of the hair, which you guys should read, must read, so you guys can take care of your hair properly and so it can last long. Okay, so let's just look at the length of this. Let's look at the texture. Let's jump right into it. Okay, so y'all, when I was trying to get this net off of one of the bundles I opened, it took me forever. Like, I was struggling. I was really struggling, like I am now, y'all. Okay. I really don't want this on here. I don't know why it's so freaking hard. Okay, got it. So one, let's smell it, because you know we don't want no hair that stink. Okay. It smells like regular hair. Like, I don't never get hair that stinks. Like, I know when I be on like YouTube watching reviews, like people be saying their hair stink and be having weird smells. Mine just smells like hair. So yeah, this bundle is really, really, really soft. It feels like the rest of the bundles, really soft once I took it out. Let me show you guys, because I'm really like kind of just showing myself. Okay. So the color is a natural color, a 1B. 1B color, that's the ends. My first impressions of this hair was that true to length, but kind of like thin, I would say. Like, kind of like, this hair is not, I've had thicker hair. So this, and I've had thinner hair as well. So this is kind of like in between. So it's not like super thin, but it's not really thick as well. But it's really, 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 really soft. Really soft. Okay. Here's the wefts for you guys. I feel like it could be a little, the bundle could be a little bigger, but you know, it's kind of like, it's not super little though, so it's kind of like I can deal with it. But yeah, so it looks really, 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 really nice. 24 inches. Yeah. And I do want to dye it jet black, but I'm probably not. I'm probably just going to keep it the 1B color. But it's really, 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 really soft. The ends, did I show you guys that? As you can see, you know, it looks thin. I'm going to tell you guys the truth, and I'm always going to tell you guys the truth about any hair that I review. So yeah, feels good. And let me open up the other three for you, the other two, and then the lace pencil. And like I said, this is my first time getting a frontal as well, actually wearing one. Okay, look at y'all. I said look at y'all. Look at that. Like, I can never talk right. Bundle number 2. Let me see if I get any shedding, because I have been running my fingers through it. No shedding at all, but I feel like the quality is pretty decent. I feel like it is. I feel like it'll last like a decent time as long as I take care of it well. And the series that I got, because they have like different like textures and brands and all that good stuff. The series I got is ICENU, if I'm pronouncing that right, and that's the Remy human hair. Then they have Kaisis, which is the Virgin human hair. Okay. Ooh, this is soft. This one's really, 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 really soft. And I think this is the second one that I opened. This is really, 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 really soft. They're all the same length. I just want to make sure y'all can see it. You know, because I feel like when I watch videos, I be wanting to know like every single detail and how it looks and just everything. The texture, even though I can't feel it like watching the video, I want to see. So just trying to give y'all what I would want in a video. So here's the lace frontal. Ooh, y'all, look, struggling. Okay. like I said, this is the 20-inch, and it's been like staticky, like really, yeah, just really staticky. This, oh my goodness, this is like softer than the bundles. Oh, it is. Let me see if I get any shedding. Yep, I got one piece. Let's see. Yeah, I just had got that one piece. This is really soft. Let me show you guys. So this is a 3x4. Am I saying that right? Okay. Anyways. So this looks like it doesn't need much plucking. You know, it's like, it looks pretty good. It doesn't have the baby hairs, and if you like baby hairs on your frontal, just simply make some baby hairs. Yeah, but it doesn't. Okay, so this is how it looks. I think it looks really nice. Like, I don't think it needs like anything done with it, honestly. I think it looks really nice. Here's a better look for you guys. Better look. Don't mind that noise in the background, the people. Okay, but yeah, really freaking excited. Okay, but my video is already too freaking long. It's 13 minutes. So yeah, that is it for this video. So, you know, like I said, it's an unboxing video, so not too much to talk about. But yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Don't forget, when you do purchase this hair, don't forget to enter the code, okay? The code, it's like SP8, something like that. So they'll let you know once you like enter, go on their site. So yeah, so it was nice talking to you guys, and of course I'm gonna keep you guys updated about this hair. Right when I get it put in, I will be making a video for you guys, and then probably like a month review update and all that good stuff. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, okay? And comment if I missed anything. Like, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment. I love talking to you guys. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.